All right. I feel as if we have successfully done this trick. All right, welcome back to another video. We're going to spin the wheel and see what we got going on. Episode 18, I think, right? Episode 18, spun the wheel, and we are doing the, I don't remember, the inverted yaw spin rewind, I think is what it is. All right, so let's do it. Hopefully no one comes and robs us. Here's my drone, it's right there. Let me back it up a little bit. All right. Let's do this. Ultimately, I should probably turn around, right? Yeah, okay. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go over here. Look at that. Nice, enjoying. If you notice that I took a week off from the videos, I'll get into the trick in a second. I just wanna fly around. It's been a couple weeks. It's been like 8 days, I guess. The reason that I took a break is it was very busy last week, and the only day that I was able to fly, like I had time to fly, it rained. So, apologize if you were expecting me to drop a video last week and you were disappointed. I was disappointed as well, but you know, sometimes we gotta take breaks every now and again. But I am back. I am ready to do this trick. Honestly, I was watching this trick and it's kind of weird. Where is this garbage? Oh, there it is. It's kind of weird because it just looks like a upside down wiggle, you know? Like you go upside down and then you do a little wiggle. This guy doesn't mind that I fly near him. So ready? Upside down, wiggle. That's all the trick feels like. You know? I think I need to do it a little faster, but because you just got to get inverted and then do it, but I can get inverted faster. Yeah, nice. Okay, I'm doing this. Practicing the inverted part. And then, let's check out this guy. Look at that. Oh, I would so fly near him. Oh, there's another car. To practice the inverted. I think for this trick to really look smooth, you gotta be completely upside down. Whew, see, that's not good. Call me Maverick. It's a Top Gun reference. Okay, let's land. And then we will all right. Whew. I think I blew my sunglasses off. I don't know how people hand launch these things. Y'all are insane, people who do that. All right, so I think it'd be cool. I feel like a bug on me. Okay. Oh, yeah, there's a little baseball field over here. That's nice. So we're gonna do the wiggle. It's kind of all it is. garbage truck's going. Just I don't know if that's it. Do I need to do more? I'm gonna be honest. I don't like the look of this trick. If this is your favorite trick, by all means, more power to you. I just don't know. Something about it. This is not it, you know? Maybe I'm not flat enough. Let's try it. Let's go flat. Yeah. Okay, in the video, I think he did like a flat bounce rewind into a... It's kind of cool, I guess. So let's do it again. Ooh, oh, another car? Oh, there goes a car. Ready for this? Ooh, I have an idea. Okay. I feel like we did this trick. I feel like we did it adequately enough that I can put it down in the book and move on. But I do want to do something. That's not what I want to do. Okay. All right, I hope. Get this trick again, and then we'll on this last battery we'll do what I wanted to do. All right, let's bring it in. Let's bring it in. Okay, it's time for the last battery. As always, last battery, best battery. There go my sunglasses again, probably. All right, so y'all saw what I was trying to do. Let's round this, and then we'll do it up here. Let's just go for it. I want to do the, hold on, I'm not gonna talk. That's not it. Oh, I can't see. The feed's going crazy for a second. Okay, I need to look up. Yeah, antenna's good. I hope that looked cool. Because that's what I was trying to go for. That makes sense. Whoa, what is going on? Interference. Well, let's just take a lap. Let's take a nice, comfortable lap. Not hit a tree. That would be pretty bogus. Oh, dang. The range is terrible. All right, I feel as if we have successfully done this trick. It's a little fun. Cool, you know what? Yeah, now we're just gonna enjoy ourselves here. Hope you're having a beautiful, beautiful day. I mean, it is a beautiful day. I'm hoping you're having a great one. Hope you enjoy this nice weather now that it's summer. Ooh, I'm telling you, I'm looking forward to flying in the nice weather. It is always nice to be out here and fly. And the weather is nice. You know what? Let's do it one more time. Let's just do it over here. Let's get a nice good one. Almost to the tree, no biggie. Nice. Very fun. Let's land on this trash can. Because we can. It's a visual representation of our flying abilities, or my flying abilities. Nice. It's a good thing I landed when I did, because I don't know if you heard that. That was a garbage truck right next to me, taking the trash. So there it is, episode 18 of 64, Inverted Yaw Spin Rewind. I'm gonna give this one a 1 out of 5 stars. I'm pretty sure I did the trick right. Before we go any further, if you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, comment as well if you want to. No pressure. 1864 Inverted Yaw Spin Rewind. Again, I did not really like the look of this trick. It just feels so, the rewind doesn't feel like a rewind, if that makes sense. It just looks like a little wiggle, you know, a little upside down wiggle wiggle. I see the Copa America is coming up soon. Looking forward to watching the US play in that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You know what, here's what I'm asking. Comment down below, besides FPV, what's the other thing that you like to do? What else do you enjoy besides FPV? Let me know in the comments. As always, I'm Team FPV. Stay soaring.